Hi everyone, this is Jane here, just showing you my latest little mini journal. I've still got just tiny bits of finishing off. I've got to trim these off, put the charm in the middle and put some ephemera in. But I just thought I would show you what we've got. So the cover here was made from cutting up a masterboard, and there is a video online of me doing that, so if I remember, I'll link it down below, but just have a look on there on my channel at masterboards and you'll find it. So this is what I am calling the Victorian velvet mini journal. It's made with the tea box as normal. We've got this velvet ribbon that I've used. This colour is very similar to the Victorian velvet ink, which is where I got the name from. So this is Victorian velvet, and this is a quick little look through. It's just lightly decorated with some stickers and some stamps and some stencils. This is really cute little butterfly thing. It's not really a pop-up, but it's quite cute. It's got some punched out pictures. It's got some washi tape. It's got some pockets. It's got some stamps and lots of different things. Tracing paper just for the texture. I love the texture of that. A little bit of collagen. So as you can see, it's got the usual 3 signatures. It's all tea dyed, coffee dyed, avocado dyed papers. I've left plenty of space, like blank space for writing in. I love this. This is just like a smaller version of one that I've done in a bigger journal, but I love that. I love this die cut, really cute. So I actually really love the way it's turned out. This one, it's really cute. Really cute. So that is Victorian Velvet Mini Journal. I will be popping it up in my Etsy store. Probably by the time I put this video up, it will probably be up there. So if it's what you're interested in, if you like the look of it, feel free to go and have a look. And thank you very much for watching. If you have liked the video, please give it a like and thumbs up and a subscribe and all of that stuff. I just wanted to quickly put on, just show you, recently I put up a video which was about a woven background for a junker journal. I just wanted to show you how that ended up because it didn't really show on the video. I might put on some more stuff. So this is the woven background that I made. And as you can see, I've put different stamps on it. What I found was that where I'd kind of got the joins, they weren't all completely stuck down. And rather than chuck loads more glue onto it, or try and sort of put little bits of glue here and there, it just all felt really fiddly. What I did was I covered it all in a single ply of a napkin. So the napkin has stuck everything down, so it's all nice and smooth now. Everything is joined. There's no rough spots, and you can actually stamp on it quite well. So I'm really quite pleased with this. I might do a few more bits and bobs to it, and then I'll probably cut it up for some tags or a cover of a new journal. So that's where we got to. That's how we ended up with that one. If I do some more to it, then I'll probably do like a really quick video to just show how it finally ended up. But I bought some more stamps recently, so I wanted to try them out. So I was loving those. So that's how we've kind of ended up. We might do a little bit more. So yeah, hopefully that is something that you could have a go at. I really found that fun, and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. It does look like a patchwork. So thanks again for watching, and please do like, subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.